Welcome back, foodies. I hope you are well. If you're new here, my name is Kayi. In today's video, I'm sharing my delicious seafood okra soup with you. I hope you are well. Without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. Into my cooking pot, I'm going to add first some water. I don't like my okra soup too watery, so I'm just using roughly 2 medium bowls of water. Bring it to a boil and then add the first ingredients, which is the star ingredient, the okra. This is the frozen one, but if you have time, you can just cut it and cook it that very same day. Is also fine. Cover it up not fully and then let it cook for 6 to 10 minutes, and by this time you can see the bubble on top, which means it's time to add your strong vegetables like aubergines, for example. So that is what I'm going to add, and then a little bit of blended peppers and onions. Mix everything well, and I'm cooking on a medium high heat. Keep stirring it continuously because I don't want the okra to be stuck at the bottom of the pot. And I just went in with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. So you check it and adjust everything according to your taste. I also added bicarbonate of the screen, and once this is cooking roughly for another 5 minutes, I just added the seafood. Make sure you clean your crabs and prawns thoroughly before adding it to the okra soup. There are 2 ways to cook this okra soup. Sometimes you can just boil the okra and vegetables separately, and then the crabs and prawns, you add your blended ginger, garlic, and onion, a little bit of salt, and cook that as well separately, or you just add everything together like I'm doing. To give the perfect color to the soup, I just added the red palm oil. If today is your first time coming across my channel, I love sharing my favorite recipes on this channel. Super yummy, easy to follow the instructions, and just achieve delicious meals for yourself or your family. If you are enjoying the recipe, kindly give the video a thumbs up and keep watching. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for checking this new upload. Now I'm adding the blended ginger, garlic, and onion because I didn't boil the prawns and the crabs separately. So this will allow everything to season perfectly well, because at the end of the day they are seafood and they have their own kind of smell that you don't want too strong in your soup. So you have to make sure you add the blended ginger, onion, and garlic. Time to add the fish. You can buy this in the store or just grill your fish in the oven properly, and you're going to obtain the exact same results. After tasting my soup, I just needed to add a little bit more of all-purpose seasoning, and make sure whilst you're cooking you do this until you get your perfect taste. And now my soup has the perfect aroma in this kitchen. Just make sure you use these different ingredients and it's going to be just not yummy, but the aroma also will be great. As you can see, we are getting very close. I'm going to let this cook for another 10 minutes. Et voila, this is our soup. Super delicious looking, and you can pair this with semolina, eba, or maize meal. You're going to love this. Make sure you try this recipe if you are a big okra fan, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Our soup is ready and looking super inviting. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Now is perfect time to serve the food. Make sure you start washing your hands and join me right here. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you can get my notifications each time I upload a new yummy recipe. Our okra soup and akume is so ready, and you guys are invited to join me right here. In Togo, this is the time we say midunulo, meaning you are invited to join me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.